this is Dr. Mary June at our center in Manhattan in New York City. We just finished our seminar, which is a free seminar for all the students who are taking Step to CS this year. So the goal of my free seminars is to help students to pass CS the first time. I've had so many students in the past who have done CS multiple times, not because they were not good doctors, but sometimes students with great medical knowledge and acumen and skills still go and fail this exam. So this exam is just not about your knowledge, it's also about the tactics to work under a pressurized environment. So it's a 15-minute encounter and a 10-minute patient note, and many students are failing the ICE component. The failure rate for IMGs has gone up to 18%. Sometimes it's 20% in the past few years. It might be a 20% for the school, but for each individual who fails the exam, it's a personal fail, and it costs them their residency interview. So we here at Target USMLE, we are at a mission to help students to pass it the first time. Step to CS, do it once, do it right, and we're here to help. So if you're available in New York City, do come here and be part of our seminar. We'll also be doing webinars, and we have a mini workshop in our center at Manhattan where you will know how to do one case correct. It's important to do one case correct before you go and do more cases with multiple cases. You need to be at the top of your game. We will give lots of tips to manage time, to practice the right way with your fellow colleagues, how to think about differential diagnosis, how to handle challenging questions, communication skills, spoken English, how to be at ease and organized for the Step to CS exam. You attend this half-a-day workshop and you're going to be equipped knowing how to do CS right. Welcome to Target USMLE, and if you're here in the area, drop by on Saturday to our CS workshop and check out our website for online seminars and also live seminars here in New York City.